Okay, so tree diagram question, and this one says that in bag 1 there are 3 blue counters and 4 red counters, and in bag 2 there are 4 blue counters and 3 red counters. So with tree diagrams we always start here and we ask ourselves, well, in bag 1 we can either pick a blue or a red. Well, let's start with blue. What's the probability I pick a blue? Well, there's 3 blues and there are 3 blues and 4 reds, so 7 in total. So we move on. We've picked a blue from bag 1, so we're currently here, and we look at bag 2. Well, in bag 2 there are 4 blue counters and 7 in total. Let's go back a little bit. Let's go back to if we picked a blue in bag 1. Well, we could have picked a red in bag 2. So there are 3 reds and 7 blues. Now let's go all the way back to the start and let's pretend we picked a red from bag 1. Let's have a think. What's the probability? Well, there's 4 red and 7 in total. And a blue from bag 2, well, that would stay the same, wouldn't it? Because there's still 4 blues and there's still 7 altogether. And there's 3 reds and 7 altogether. And that would be enough to get you full marks. Let's move on to the second question. It says work out the probability that 2 counters picked are of different colours. So let's follow the paths down. If I pick this one, so a blue and then a blue, I've ended up with a blue and a blue. Well, they're not different colours. So let's try another line. So if I pick a blue and then a red, well, that's a blue and then a red. So we want that one. Let's start going down here. So I pick a red from bag 1 and then a blue from bag 2. Well, that's the one we want. And let's try the last one. So a red from bag 1 and a red from bag 2. Well, they're not different colours. So it's these middle 2 we're interested in. It's that one and that one. Now the way of working out the probability of ending on either of those is just to write down the fractions that you passed to get there. So I passed this one, so 3 over 7, and I passed this one, so another 3 over 7. And then what you do is you times them. Now to times fractions you just times the tops times the bottoms. So 3 times 3 is 9, 7 times 7 is 49. Let's do the same with the red and then blue. So we passed a 4 over 7 and we passed another 4 over 7. And let's times them. So that's going to be 16 over 49. Now this is the problem, is we end up with 2 fractions. Well, we need one answer. So we need to find some way of combining those together. And in probability, we use the word or. It can either be that one or that one. And any time you use the word or, what you're going to do with the fractions is just add them together. Now, the beauty of this is normally you're going to end up with lovely denominators that are the same. And when the denominators are the same, all you need to do is add the numerators. So 9 plus 16 is 25, and the bottom stays the same. So it's 25 over 49.